Ok, so aquí está el segundo video de la lección de matemáticas de hoy. Here is the second video for today's math lesson. Students, if you guys remembered, I gave this assignment to you guys for homework last night. Remember this? Page 197. This is a quick quiz. There are 11 problems. We did 2 of the problems in class together. Your homework last night was to complete the following problems. If you didn't turn it in, please work on this and turn it in. Remember, you need to describe the pattern you see in these tables. And for number 6 through 11, you have to find the unknown number. Remember, please draw an array. It's going to help you find the answers. Remember how we did it in class? These are the arrays. De nuevo, les dejé esta tarea en la página 197. Esto era tu tarea de anoche. Ayer hicimos 2 de los problemas. Recuerda, este es un pequeño examen. Si no me lo entregaste anoche, lo tienes que terminar y entregarlo hoy. Ahora voy a comenzar con la lección de hoy. Now, for the lesson today, we are going to be working on the back page of this test. So we're going to do this together, page 198. And this lesson is in English, and I will keep going in English. Make sure you guys have your books open to this page, 198. Problem number 12. Describe a pattern in the table. So let's see what this is about. There are packages and there are stickers. So for every package, there are 6 stickers. In 2 packages, there are 12 stickers. In 3, there are 18. In 4, there are 24. And in 5, there are 30. We have to figure out the pattern. In other words, the bottom numbers are going up how many at a time? 6 plus what gives me 12? 12 plus what gives me 18? So let's see. I know my doubles. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so that works out. What if I add another 6 to the 12? 12 plus 6 gives me 18. The pattern is the stickers are going up by 12. In other words, we are multiplying the packages by 6. 2 times 6 equals 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. 4 times 6 equals 24. 5 times 6 equals 30. So the pattern is we are multiplying. Make sure you guys write this down. We are multiplying the number of packages by 6. Make sure you guys write this down. Asegúrense de escribir esto. Okay, remember this is a video. You guys can pause it at any time. Number 13. What number makes the equation true? A times 8 equals 72. Again, we're trying to figure out what number multiplied by 8 will give us 72. So here, we don't know how many rows there are, but we do know how many are going to be in each row. We need to add a total of 72. So this is what we're going to make the array. So you can do it in two ways. You can either draw your 8 rows, or you can draw 8 boxes at a time. Whichever way you guys want to do it is fine. I am going to be using 8 boxes at a time. We're making an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you guys can try to draw these boxes small so they all fit. We're going to stop counting until we get to the number 72. 8 boxes at a time. Remember, when you make your second row, make sure that you draw your box right under the top one so the array matches. So I drew 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Remember, we're stopping at 72. I am now going to be counting in my head, so you guys can count in your head as well, and stop when you get to 72. $70, $71, $72. Now, we can count how many rows of 8s did we make. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We made 9 rows. In other words, 9 times 8 equals 72. For our algebraic equation, the letter A equals the number 9. Again, you guys can pause this video as many times as you need to get this done. Number 14. Mia bought 2 copies of the same book. She spent $18. What is the cost of one book? Underline the question, circle your information. The question, how much does one book cost? The information we have, she bought 2 copies. So she bought 2 books and she spent a total of $18. So we're going to make another array. But first, we can go ahead and draw a letter. You can use any letter, but I'm going to say a B for book. So how much does one book cost? So book times 2 copies equals the $18. We're trying to solve for B. What is the missing number? What number times 2 will give me 18? Again, you can choose to do 2 boxes at a time until we get to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many rows of 2s did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In other words, 9 times 2 equals 18. So the letter B equals 9. The other way you guys could have solved this, which is also correct, and you guys can do it like that if you want, is instead of making rows of 2, we can make 2 rows, and we can put one box at a time until we get to 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And how many boxes did we do in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You still come up with the same answer. Okay, let's go to number 15. Kyle saves $10 every week for 6 weeks. How much money will Kyle have in 6 weeks? Let's look at the pattern. So circle our information. Every week he saves $10. How long is he going to be doing it for? For 6 weeks. Let's look at the pattern. So in week 1, he has $10. Week 2, 20. Week 3, 30. What are these dollars going up? 10, 20, 30. They are going up by 10 at a time. So what is 30 plus 10? 40. What is 40 plus another 10? 50. What is 50 plus another 10? 60. So how much money will he have in 6 weeks? He will have $60 in 6 weeks. In 6 weeks. Make sure you guys are doing this with me. Again, you guys can pause this at any time. Let's do the last problem, number 16. There are 24 students in the class. They arrange their desks in rows with 6 desks in each row. How many rows are there? Let's underline the question, circle our information. Question, how many rows are there? Information. There is a total of 24 students in the class. 24. They are arranged in desks in rows of 6. So 6 desks. In other words, what number times 6 will give us 24 students all together? So we are going to do 6 desks. We're going to draw another array. So 6 boxes representing the desks until we stop at 24. Let's go ahead and do it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do another one. We need to stop at 24. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember to draw them right under each other. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Go ahead and stop there. How many rows did we make? 1, 2, 3, 4. We made 4 rows. So the answer will be 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. Let's answer the question. How many rows are there? There are 4 rows. Once you guys have finished this, you're going to take a picture of this page and post it in Seesaw. Let me share my, let me go into Seesaw right now, and I'm just going to add it for all of you guys to have. So make sure you guys take the picture. So today is Thursday. So math homework for Thursday. And you're going to take a picture. Take a picture of this page. And it's page number 198. So I'm going to add this really quick for everybody. Again, picture of page 198. So make sure you guys upload that today. So now everybody will have it as your homework. So let me review what your homework is tonight. This is the second video I sent out. Tonight, you will have 3 assignments. Please look at the first video I sent out of how to do this work, irregular plural nouns. And you have your word search in Spanish for our spelling words in Spanish, plus the math homework I just posted. 3 assignments for tonight. Please don't forget, tomorrow we have a test. I'm going to be testing you in Spanish on our story of del teléfono al video chat. Plus, you're going to have a test on vocab, a test in spelling, and those are all in Spanish, and you will have your grammar test in English. I really hope that clever works tomorrow. Again, I will see you guys tomorrow morning.